Hasna Halim and friends, nice to meet you. Here we will therefore a speech entitled Talking about the Planning of Journey and briefly explain the topic of comparison. First of all, let us introduce ourselves. In this video, we will show you part 1 and part 2 of Advanced English Project 1. Enjoy watching!
Hello everyone! Let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Aula Ramadhani and today I want to talk about travel planning. I really want to visit Bali someday because it's one of the most beautiful places tourist destination in Indonesia. The beaches incredibly beautiful and the atmosphere is very comfortable for a vacation. If I go to Bali, I want to go with my family or my friends. I think traveling together is more fun and makes for a memorable experience. Before leaving, I'll prepare my clothes, money, and other essentials. After that, I'll book transportation and a hotel for my stay. In Bali, I want to visit several famous places, one of which is Kuta Beach. I also want to try Balinese cuisine and buy a souvenir. I believe that traveling isn't just about having fun, it can also reduce stress and refresh the mind. Furthermore, we can learn about new cultures and meet many new people of travel planning. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.
Hi everyone! In this presentation, I will explain of three types: comparison, positive comparison, comparative comparison, and superlative comparison. I will also provide some simple example to help you understand this material better. So, let's begin. Comparison is grammar structure used to compare two or more people, object, animal, place, or situation. In daily life, we often use comparison to show different similarities, qualities, or abilities. Comparison is useful to explain difference, show similarities, compare characteristics, and give opinion. It helps people communicate more clearly when describing something. There are three kinds of comparison in English grammar. They are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Each type has a different function in comparing things. Positive degree comparison. Positive degree is used when two things have the same quality. The pattern is subject plus to be plus s plus adjective plus s plus noun. For example, she is clever as her friends. The negative form, subject plus to be plus not plus s plus adjective plus s plus noun. For example, today is not as hot as yesterday. Comparative degree is used to compare two people, object, or place. Usually, short adjective use er, while long adjective use more. For example, a car faster than bag. Another example is pizza is more delicious than bread. Next, superlative degree is used to compare three or more things. Short adjective use est, while long adjective use the most. For example, Ryan is the tallest boy in my class. Another example is this fried rice the most delicious. Short adjective use er for comparative degree and est for superlative degree. For example, fast, faster, and fastest. And then short, shorter, and shortest. And then long, longer, and longest. Long adjective use more for comparative degree and most for superlative degree. For example, beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful. And then expensive, more expensive, and most expensive. Next, interesting, more interesting, and most interesting. Comparison can be used in daily life to compare people, place, and object in daily life. For example, comparing people, Rina, the smartest student in the class. Comparing place, Jakarta is larger than Bogor, and my laptop is faster than yours.
Thank you for listening to our speech about talking about the planning of journey in the part 1 and our explanation about the comparison in part 2.
I hope our presentation helped you understand how to plan a journey and how to use comparison in English grammar.
Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.